Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best empowered women empowerment shirt on the market, the BLACKMYTH Women's Cute Graphic T-shirt. This shirt stands out not only because of its meaningful message but also for its impressive quality, comfort, and style that make it a must-have for every woman. Let's start with the material. The BLACKMYTH shirt is made from 95% cotton and 5% spandex, giving it a soft, stretchy, and breathable feel that's perfect for year-round wear. Whether you're heading to the gym, running errands, or just relaxing, this shirt offers lightweight comfort while maintaining durability. The blend ensures that it fits snugly yet comfortably, allowing for easy movement without feeling tight or restrictive. Design-wise, this tee features a classic crew neck and short sleeves, which makes it incredibly versatile. The graphic print on the front carries a powerful and inspiring message designed for women who want to wear their empowerment proudly. The lettering and print quality are top-notch, showing no signs of fading or cracking even after multiple washes. The colors stay vibrant, and the fabric holds its shape well, so you can count on this shirt to last. When it comes to fit, the BLACKMYTH shirt is designed to be form-fitting but not overly tight. It contours nicely to your body with just the right amount of stretch from the spandex. However, it's important to check the size chart before ordering since sizing can be slightly different from other brands. The shirt pulls on easily without any buttons or zippers, making it simple and convenient to wear. Another great aspect is the shirt's versatility. Its casual style pairs effortlessly with jeans, leggings, or shorts, making it a go-to piece in your wardrobe for various occasions. Whether you're dressing it up with accessories or keeping it simple for a relaxed day, this tee fits right in. In addition, the fabric is easy to care for. It's machine washable and holds up well over time without shrinking or losing softness. This makes it not only stylish but practical for everyday wear. Overall, the BLACKMYTH Women's Cute Graphic T-shirt combines a meaningful message with quality materials and a flattering fit, all at an affordable price point. If you're looking for a shirt that celebrates empowerment while offering comfort and style, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.